Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something exciting for all of you looking to transform your hair game.
We're talking about the best hyaluronic acid for your hair, and it comes in the form of L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Moisture Plump Hair Serum. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews.
Now, let's get started.
This right here is the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Moisture Plump Hair Serum. It's designed for those of you with dehydrated, dry hair, and it's part of the Hyaluron Plump hair care system.
First things first, take a look at this sleek and stylish bottle.
It's got a liquid volume of 130 milliliters, so you're getting a good amount of product. Now, what makes this serum stand out?
Well, it's all about that hyaluronic acid care complex.
This serum is infused with a 2% hyaluronic care complex that provides 2 times the hydration, leaving your hair feeling rejuvenated and full of life.
And let's not forget about the delightful scent.
It's a blend of berries, cherry blossom, vanilla, and sandalwood. Trust me, your hair will smell amazing.
Using it is a breeze.
After shampooing and conditioning with the Elvive Hyaluron Plump products, simply apply the serum on wet or dry hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. No need to rinse it out, just style as usual. Well, with regular use, this serum promises to replump and reshape dry, dehydrated hair for up to 72 hours. The best part? No way down. Your hair will look and feel full and bouncy. To get the most out of this serum, L'Oréal recommends using it as part of a complete hair care routine. Start with their paraben-free Elvive shampoo, then use the Flash Hydration Wonder Water, followed by a hair conditioner to detangle and moisturize. Finish it off with this replumping serum for the ultimate revitalization.
Now, let's talk about L'Oréal Paris.
They are a total beauty care company known for combining the latest in technology with the highest quality.
So, you know you're getting a product you can trust.
However, it's important to note that some users found the scent overpowering. For example, Anonymous Buyer 999 mentions, "Unfortunately, the product was ruined because of the awful smell."
So, there you have it, folks. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Moisture Plump Hair Serum, the best hyaluronic acid for your hair.
With its 2% hyaluronic care complex and delightful scent, it's a game changer for dry, dehydrated hair. If you're ready to transform your hair and give it that much-needed boost of moisture, make sure to check out this fantastic product. And as always, the links are in the description below for your convenience.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you've tried this product or if there's anything else you'd like us to review.
Until next time, stay fabulous, and we'll catch you in the next video.